Very good afternoon, dear students. The last class discussed about some problems. Today we are discussing about left of the question. See that question number 8. In this question, A matrix given to prove that A square minus A minus 3I is equal to prove that null matrix. Null matrix nothing but every element will be 0. It is called null matrix. So take left hand side to prove that null matrix. Here, what is a I? So I is nothing but identity matrix. Already I gave definition and example. So what is the identity matrix means? A square matrix is said to be identity matrix or unit matrix. Diagonal elements are equal to 1. Non-diagonal elements are 0. It is called identity matrix. Based on A matrix given 2 by 2. That's why identity matrix also take as 2 by 2 matrix. Now we are going to solution. Solution given capital A is equal to 1, 3, 1, 0. So order of A matrix is 2 by 2. That's why I also am taking identity matrix 2 by 2 matrix only. 1, 0, 0, 1. So 2 by 2. So, but in this question I is not given, but we can take compulsory I because of in this question LHS for A square minus A minus 3I equal to 0. Here I is there. So Y is nothing but identity matrix. So identity matrix is nothing but diagonal elements are equal to 1, remaining elements are zeros. Because of in this question A matrix is given 2 by 2, that's why identity matrix also we are taking 2 by 2. First we need to calculate A square. First we need to calculate A square. The A square can be written as A into A. Now substitute the matrix 1, 3, 1, 0. Again substitute A matrix 1, 3, 1, 0. Both order of matrix is 2 by 2. So number of columns first matrix is equal to the number of second matrix, both are equal. The product will be existing. Then resulting A square matrix we get 2 by 2 matrix. We get 2 by 2 matrix. Now product with the first row in the first matrix, product first column in the second matrix. That's why 1 into 1 plus 3 into 1. Next product with the first row, second column. So 1 into 3 plus 3 into 0. So first row, first column, first row, second column is all. Next we are going to second row. Product with the second row, first column. So 1 into 1 plus 0 into 1. Next product with the second row, second column. 1 into 3 plus 0 into 0. So finally we got A square matrix 1 into 1 1 plus 3 into value is 3, 1 into 3 plus 3 into anything 0 value is 0. So 1 into 1 1, 0 into anything value is 0. So 1 into 3 3 plus 0 into anything value is 0. So finally we got A square value 1 plus 3 value is 4, 3 plus 0 value is 3, 1 plus 0 value 1, 3 plus 0 value is 3. What we are asking? Find, not find, prove that A square minus A minus 3I. We can take left hand side to prove that null matrix. That's why I am taking left hand side value LHS. Taking LHS, A square minus A minus 3I is equal to prove that A square. So take, okay. So now substituting values. What is the A square values? 4, 3, 1, 3. 4, 3, 1, 3 minus A matrix substitute given is 1, 3, 1, 0 minus 3 into I is nothing but identity matrix 1, 0, 0, 1. Now subtract those two elements corresponding by subtracting the corresponding elements. 4 minus 1, 3 minus 3, 1 minus 1, 3 minus 0 minus each other product with 3. 3 into 1 is 3, 3 into 0 0, 3 into 0 0, 3 into 1 is 3. Now 4 minus 1 is 3, 3 minus 3 value is 0, 1 minus 1 value is 0, 3 minus 0 is 3, minus 3 0 0 3. Again subtracting two matrices, the subtracting the corresponding elements. 3 minus 3, 0 minus 0, 0 minus 0, 3 minus 3. So finally you got 3 minus 3 value is 0, 0, 0, 0. Finally you got null matrix. So finally write conclusion. LHS is equal to RHS. What is the LHS? A square minus A minus 3I is equal to 0. First we need to calculate A square. After that, whenever finding A square value, take left hand side condition, substitute the A square matrix and A matrix and identity matrix. Finally, we get the right hand side, that is a null matrix. This is required for this solution. So you are understood as well to solving this question. Next we are going to ninth one. Next we are discussing about ninth one. Very easy. First of all, what are the matrices are given? Which one you have to prove that? That one we are understanding easily solving the questions. So now discussing about ninth question. See the question number 9. Same related question only. If capital A is equal to 2 minus 1 minus 1 2, prove that A square minus 4A plus 3I is equal to 0. So this question also you have to take left hand side to prove the RHS null matrix. Take left hand side condition to prove the null matrix. So in this question also first we need to calculate A square. Right solution given capital A is equal to 2 minus 1 minus 1 2. First we need to calculate A square. A square can be written as A into A. Substitute matrix 2 minus 1 minus 1 2. This is order of the matrix is 2 by 2. Again substitute A matrix is 2 minus 1 minus 1 2. This one also order of this matrix is 2. So number of columns first matrix is equal, number of rows second matrix both are equal. We get the resulting matrix is 2 by 2. Now applying the multiplication condition. First row, first column. So I am writing directly values 2 into 2 4 plus minus 1 into minus 1, that value is plus 1. Next product with the first row, second column. 2 into minus 1 minus 2 plus minus 1 into 2 value is minus 2. So first row, first column, first row, second column is over. Next we are going to product with the second row, first column. Minus 1 into 2 minus 2 plus 2 into minus 1, that value is minus 2. Next product with the second row, second column. Minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1. So 2 into 2 4. Next we have to simplify this one. A square is equal to 4 plus 1, that value is 5. Minus 2 minus 2, that value is minus 4. Minus 2 minus 2, that value is minus 4. 1 plus 4, that value is 5. Finally you got A square value is 5 minus 4 minus 4 5. Now we can take left hand side condition to prove that null matrix. Now I am taking LHS. The given condition is A square minus 4A plus 3I is equal to substitute A square matrix. You got 5 minus 4 minus 4 5 minus 4 into A. 4 into A substitute A matrix is 2 minus 1 minus 1 2 plus 3I. I is nothing but we can take identity matrix 2 by 2 1 0 0 1. Because of A matrix given 2 by 2, that's why I also can take as identity matrix 2 by 2 matrix is 1 0 0 1. Substitute in place of I identity matrix 1 0 0 1. Now simplify this one. This matrix like as it is 5 minus 4 minus 4 5. Each number product with the 4 2 is 8. 4 into minus 1 is minus 4. 4 into minus 1 is minus 4. 4 into 2 8 plus identity matrix each number product with the 3. 3 into 1 is 3. 3 into 0. 3 into 0. 3 into 1 is 3. Now we can subtract and adding the corresponding elements. 5 minus 8 plus 3. Or is first you have to subtract with these two elements. 5 minus 8 minus 4 plus 4 minus 4 plus 4 5 minus 8 plus 3 0 0 3. Now subtract the corresponding element those two matrices. 5 minus 8 minus 4 minus into minus 6 plus 4 minus 4 minus into minus plus 4 5 minus 8. This matrix is writing yes. Now simplify. 5 minus 8 is that value is minus 3 0 0 minus 3 plus 3 0 0 3. Now adding the corresponding elements. First element plus first element, second element plus second element, second row first element plus first element, second row second element plus second element. Finally you got null element is 0 0 0. So we are taking left hand side condition. Finally to prove the RHS value is null matrix. Right. Conclusion: LHS is equal to RHS. So LHS condition is a square minus 4a plus 3i is equal to 0. 0 is nothing but null matrix. Each every element will be 0. It is called null matrix. This is the required for this solution in this question. So everyone understand? Everyone understand? Dear students, how to solve this question? So next question also same like see the question number 10. So 8 to 9 to 10 all the questions are related only. First we need to calculate a square value. After that take left hand side condition to prove the RHS condition. So very easy. See the question number 10. Here capital A is equal to 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. Show that or prove that both are same meaning only. Show that a square minus 5a is equal to 2i. So dear students, don't confusion. Take left hand side condition to prove that RHS condition. See the solution given. Capital A is equal to 1 2 3 4. So A is order matrix 2 by 2. That's why identity matrix also I am taking 2 by 2 matrix 1 0 0 1. First we need to calculate A square. So A square can be written as A into A. Now substitute the matrices 1 2 3 4. Order of the matrix is 2 by 2. Again substitute A matrix 1 2 3 4. So this one also order of the matrix is 2 by 2. Number of columns the first matrix is equal to the number of rows the second matrix, both are equal. The product will be existing. Finally A square resulting matrix is 2 by 2 matrix. Now applying the multiplication of matrix condition, product with the first row first column. So I am writing direct elements. 1 into 1 1 plus 2 into 3 6. Next product with the first row second column. So 1 into 2 2 plus 2 4 the 8. Whenever first row product with first column second column, it's write that element first row only. Next product with second row first column, that's why you can write as second row only. 3 into 1 3 plus 4 3 is 12. Next product with the second row second column, 3 2 is 6 plus 4 4 is 16. Now simplify this one. A square is equal to 1 plus 6 that value is 7, 2 plus 8 that value is 10, 3 plus 12 that value is 15, 6 plus 16 that value is 22. Now take both LHS and RHS. Take both LHS and RHS. A square minus 5a is equal to 2i. I am taking at a time both the side LHS value and RHS. Now substitute the A matrix, A square matrix, A matrix and also I matrix. So A square you got element is 7, 10, 15, 22 minus 5 into A matrix is 1, 2, 3, 4. RHS is equal to 2 into identity matrix is 1, 0, 0, 1. Now this matrix I has is 7, 10, 15, 22. 5 is a scalar element, that's why each number product with 5. 5 into 1 is 5, 5 2 is 10, 5 3 is 15, 5 4 is 20 is equal to each number product with 2. So 2, 0, 0, 2. Now subtracting the corresponding elements, 7 minus 5, 10 minus 10, 15 minus 15, 22 minus 20 is equal to 2, 0, 0, 2. So subtract those elements, 7 minus 5 is 2, 10 minus 10 that is 0, 0, 2. So observing LHS part and RHS part, both are equal. LHS part and RHS both are equal. That's why in conclusion LHS is equal to RHS. The condition is A square minus 5a is equal to 2i. This is required solution for in this question. Dear friends, any doubt in these questions? If you have any doubt is there, please call me. I will explain it step by step. Thank you all. Left of the class we will discussing about tomorrow class. Thank you all.